Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make button earrings like these ones. You can have a big size like this or a small size like this. Okay, so all you need is your scissors, some fabric pieces, some glue. This is E600 glue. This is what I usually use. Today I have the UHU glue. I've never used it, so I'm gonna use it today to see what it's like. Some earring back. Let me just take a few out, maybe you can see it. Okay, and then this is some of that one for the back of the earring. They have big size and small size, so this is the size that I'm using today. Depending on the size of the button earring, so I will usually use a bigger size or smaller size. So this here, I don't know if you can see it, is for this, okay? It's gonna go like that, so. Oops. Okay, so you need that, and then you need one of these. I don't remember what it's called though. Okay, so let's get started. Sorry, definitely some buttons. So you can get these from the fabric store, or you can get it from Walmart. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is how it comes. And then this is the earring, the buttons. Okay. So the first thing you do is take one of these buttons, and then this is the inside. Okay, so you take your tool. So we're gonna take this piece out. Okay, like that. So back. So when you take, sometimes, okay, there you go. So once you take it out, then you take your fabric, take a piece of fabric, take your button, place it at the wrong side of the fabric, okay? Because some of the African prints have a right side and a wrong side. Sometimes the fabric, both sides look exactly the same, so which is okay, but sometimes one side is darker, one side is lighter. So make sure that you put on the right side of the fabric, okay? So you go like that. You can measure it and just depending on the pattern that you want. I usually just randomly put it anywhere I like. Okay, so you just cut some off. Like that. So you take the tool back in with the button earring package, so you just push it in like that. I like this one because this is tight. Some of them are not tight, like this one is so soft, and it's loose when you do that, when you use I don't know what these are called, I don't remember what they're called, but like this one is really hard, so these are better than these ones. Okay, so now you just take your scissors and cut up some of the excess fabric that's sticking out, because we don't want it to be too much. So you just tuck that in, take the back of the fabric, okay, take this piece, and just push it down. I have to kind of stand up into this part. on hard. Sometimes if you hear a snap, then you know that it's locked. If not, then okay, you gotta take it out and put it in again, because right now that's wrong. So let me see if I can just, there you go. That's that, it's done. And you push it out. See, like that. So then what you need to do now is get the back. You're gonna place it right wherever you want. Anyways, I usually place it in the middle, depending on how big it is. That's how there are bigger ones, or you can place it on the top like that, like wherever you feel you want to place it. So I'm gonna use this glue today. Usually I use this one, E6000. I'm using this one today just to see what it's like. I've never used it before, so let's see. So you just place it, oops, yeah, like so, and you leave it out to dry. Okay, so then you take your next button. I'm just gonna do a second one. Put it later once it's dry. So that's it. So these are the ones that are already made. You can make a big size, you can make a small size, it doesn't really matter. So it looks like when it's dry. This one I used the E6000 glue, so that's what I was using. So yeah, so that's it. Now that you know how to make your button earrings, you can wear it with your hair tie. I have a video on how to make your own hair tie with the African print, and also I have a video on how to tie your head with your head tie, so you can go watch those videos to see how to put it together. It's really cute. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I would like you to subscribe and press the like button. See you next time. Bye for now.